Now that you've got your Visage face ready to go, the next thing that you need is of course your lipstick. Now Visage currently has 20 different shades for you across hydrating and matte, and today I've decided to go for hydrating, mainly because it's December and my lips are a little bit dry, so I'm going to use our Visage Hydrating Lip Kiss. Now there are 10 different shades. Today I'm feeling a bit bold, so I'm going to go for the shade Rhodonite, this real rich rosy pink that emulates that Rhodonite gemstone. Now, with a hydrating lipstick, you are going to get a lot of real sort of rich nutrients and emollients going into your lipsticks, really going to help with that dryness. But one of the great things that you'll find about our lip kiss hydrating is that the colour payoff is just as good as the matte. So I'm just going to show you with this rich, incredible pink just how incredible the payoff is within this shade. So I always start with the Cupid's bow. As I'm not going to use a lip liner today, I'm really going to make sure that I get that solid lip line with the actual lipstick itself. So starting with the Cupid's bow, I like to draw in from the top down into the centre. Same again on the other side, almost creating that heart shape. Now from there, you want to draw around the lip, again really kind of focusing on that lip line, you know, using the angle of the actual bullet itself. To really create that solid line. Again on the other side. And instantly you can see just from a few sweeps you've got that intense colour payoff, but already if I move it in the light you can see that glisten because of all of that hydrating quality. Now again on the bottom you want to focus on the line again, drawing it out from the corners into the centre. And that's it, good to go.